So we really appreciate the gesture. And it made us feel at home as if we are still in there. It's a second home now. Yes. We've been here, I think, this is the third time. Third time coming in, and since we came here, the way you accepted us shows that it's only the color, but there is no boundary. And I must say, especially thank you, of course, to Dr. Zanish, because if not for him, I'm not sure I would have been around today. Because when we came here last year, it was ill diagnosed, not even in my country. It was ill diagnosed, and although it came as a storm, but gradually we are here today celebrating this kind of occasion.
Yeah.
We say it's a blessing. Just like he said, from the first PET scan we did after commencement of treatment, he said it's a blessing. And it's a blessing because having stage 4 cancer, definitely, you're going 6 feet. But with his expertise and your support for me standing here today with my wife and feeling so strong, I think it's something we need to celebrate about. It's something. The only mixed feeling is that, and we have to live here in August to attend to.
I think that's that was the sad part, yes.
That's the saddest part. We thank God we're all here today celebrating, not as if we're in Sierra Leone, but we feel more when we have that thinking celebrating. Because if it was in Sierra Leone, it would have been a different mixed feeling, It would have been crying and those kind of things. But here, we placed everything there in us, and we say, let's celebrate with you people. So we say a very big thank you to you. Again, big thank you for the chefs.
Always keep positive spirit alive. And that way keep guiding you for a longer and healthy life.
Yes,
That's the key.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you.